Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here, and today I'm sharing with you guys this uniquely Kenyan recipe, Kuku Paka or chicken in coconut milk. A delicious and easy recipe that you can do at home on any day of the week. This is a recipe or a dish that is very popular in coastal Kenya and especially in Swahili restaurants. It's comforting, it's aromatic. Let's go ahead and prep for this dish. For my Kuku Paka recipe, I'm using a mix of chicken thighs and drumsticks. This will be so flavorful. I also have spices that will go with the dish: garlic, ginger, some lemon juice, bay leaves. The list will be in the description box for all the ingredients used. Some onions, cilantro, diced tomatoes. We'll use some tomato paste, some yogurt, coconut milk, and I'm going to use some chicken stock. You can use water. Into this preheating shallow pot, add vegetable oil and then start browning the chicken parts that I have seasoned on one side with salt and pepper. Season this side of the chicken with the salt and pepper again. And give the chicken good time to start browning. This chicken is all browned on one side. Give it a turn. And have it get some good color on all sides. All the chicken pieces are beautifully browned here. That's what we are looking for. This will enhance the flavor of the dish. Just remove them. And into this pan, add diced onions. Saute these onions until they slightly brown. This will take anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes. Once the onions are browned, ginger, garlic, cook this for about 30 seconds. You need the ginger and the garlic to release their natural aromas, which will enhance the flavors of the dish. Now, in no particular order, start adding the spices: coriander, cumin, turmeric, chili powder, paprika, bay leaves. You can use 2 medium-sized ones. Just slightly toast these spices. Immediately add some tomato paste. Diced tomatoes. Coconut milk, 1 can. Just get all the coconut milk from the can. Then return all the chicken into the pan. the accumulated juices goes back in. Then about a half a cup chicken stock. You can use water, some salt, freshly ground black pepper. This is a very straightforward dish. So cover this, bring to a boil, and then lower the heat. Cook until the chicken is cooked through. Now this Kuku Paka has been cooking on low for about 15 minutes. We're gonna raise the heat all the way to high and reduce this sauce just so slightly to thicken it and just to enhance the flavors. Now this sauce is all reduced to the consistency that we are looking for. Add about a tablespoon of plain yogurt. This is totally optional, but it adds richness and also thickens the sauce a little bit more. A heaping of cilantro, lemon juice, reduce the heat, give this a good stir, incorporate everything, and this is ready to go to the table. Check for the seasoning. So good. Serve this Kuku Paka over some fluffy basmati rice or any side of your choice. Mashed potatoes are perfect. Some of this sauce, drizzle it over the rice. Chicken. 2 pieces for me. More sauce over the chicken, cilantro, get in here, get this delicious dish a good taste. The chicken is all cooked, looks now so nice. So good. Some of the rice with the sauce. So the chicken is almost falling off the bone. That's what you're looking for. Just have a look at that. So there you have it, friends, our Kuku Paka, or chicken in coconut milk, a dish that you can do on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next one.